Egg pakodi rolls.
Five boiled eggs. 3 to 4 finely sliced onions. 1 grated raw potato. 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, green chilies and curry leaves. 250 grams of gram flour. 2 tablespoons of maida. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of Asian carom seeds. 1 teaspoon of zero cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Half teaspoon of baking soda. Take a mixing bowl and add sliced onion. Add grated carrot. Add chopped coriander leaves, curry leaves, and chilies green. Add besan. Add maida. Add turmeric powder. Add baking soda. Add red chili powder. Add salt. Add wait. Add zira. Add chili flakes. Mix all ingredients well. Combine well. Gradually add water and make batter. Mix well and make pakodi batter. Perfect pakodi batter is done. Cut eggs into pieces. Grease hands with oil and take some portion of batter. Spread batter. Place a piece of egg and cover it with batter. Make roll. Repeat the process and make rolls. Heat oil and fry rolls. Fry on medium flame. Fry until golden brown. Flip and fry. Rolls are fried well. Remove them. Crispy egg pakodi rolls are done. Tasty and crispy egg pakodi rolls are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.